Hi all, Jake from MrCarrOnTheWeb here. Wanted to share with you another EduProtocol. Let's check this one out. This one's called 8 Parts. It comes from EduProtocol's Field Guide Book 1. It's very helpful for looking at grammar and even just tearing things apart. We'll take a look at how we use some of those more advanced ways in a moment. But let's start with the basic foundation. So let's take a look at what it means to be the 8-part EduProtocol. I mentioned before that it comes originally from grammar, the 8 parts of speech. You'll see that I'm surrounded by those things there. How about my prep as a teacher? All I had to do was find one picture. And after the students get really competent at them, I don't even find their pictures anymore. As long as it's appropriate for school, it's fine. You can also put curriculum material in there. Maybe you're studying a period in history. Maybe you're looking at a specific piece of artwork from a time or a culture. Lots of different ways to do there. So how do we start? We begin with this 3-word sentence. There's a nice scaffold that some people use here. They'll go like this. Name it, verb it, describe it. So maybe, boy watches balloons. Simple. Then we start acting up some verbs. I like to use infinitives personally. So I might say like, to watch, to stand. You can see. Then the adverbs go next to the verbs because they describe the verbs. So how does he watch? Still. How does he stand? Strong. Lots of different ways that you can use that one. How about our prepositions? In, around, etc. Interjections? Oh, you. How about our nouns? And you'll see that it calls for one proper noun. So let's name him Chuck. I don't know why, it just sounded like a nice name. And then we've got balloons. What are the balloons like? They're light. What's Chuck like? He's small. How about conjunctions? And, nor, but. And pronouns? We can say it, they, them, lots of stuff. So I like to start as a class when I'm teaching the EduProtocols. We do this together. But then, in this middle here, the students write a paragraph using at least one of the parts of speech. So let me step to the side and we can write one of these. So maybe their paragraph goes something like this. You can see. They just start using each of them. We could even cross them off. We've got O, in, fly, still, Chuck, lots of different things here. So what might this look like in your classroom? How about 5 days? The first day, we're just going to do it together as a class. The second day, we're going to build the word wall together, and then we're going to have them write their own paragraphs. Day 3 and 4, totally independent. Now, on those first 4 days, it's very important that you walk around. Don't just go sit at your desk. Walk around and take a look at what they're doing. Take notes. Find out if they're all missing the same thing. Maybe a micro-teach on interjections. Maybe a little micro-teach on conjunction. We all know Schoolhouse Rock, right? Then, when they're ready for it, probably day 5, you give them a little quiz. You don't have to call it that. You're just going to give them one of these with a new picture on it and let them go at it independently. That one can be for points. So, I hope you share this. I hope you try it. If you do, tag it on social media. Hashtag 8parts, hashtag EduProtocols. And remember, you can go to eduprotocols.com for free templates. If you like what you saw today about the 8 parts, remember, EduProtocols can help you teach better and work less. I've seen it work in my own classroom. If you like this a lot, make sure to follow for more tutorials. Share it with a teacher that might like it. Don't forget to like it. Share a comment about how you've used it or how you could use it. This is Mr. Carr on the web saying bye.